Okay, we're at the Ocean Builder factory in Panama, and we're just going to take you through the latest with regards to the EcoPod. Going to do a 180 turn here. So basically what we have in front of us is a 5-meter spar, fiberglass spar, and this is where the EcoPod is going to be attached to a steel spar from here down. So basically what we're about to do is start putting together the subfloor sections. So we have 3 sections right here now. We are basically clamping them together, and we're bolting them every 27 centimeters. There's going to be a bolt zigzagged, and then the actual bottom to subfloor is going to rest on this fiberglass flange that we have here, and then this here flange will sit onto a steel flange which will be attached to the spar, steel spar. So that steel spar could be 1, 2, 3 stories up in the air depending on the customer's requirements. Level with the tree line, above the tree line, and so we'll have 26 of these units that will do the circumference of the spar, and then it will basically, once they're all together, we'll have this round, smooth outer surface. So this will be the subfloor of the EcoPod. We'll hope to have constructed within the next couple of weeks, and then we're looking pretty good to start attaching the roof section.